Hello, welcome. My name is Gaston Reboredo. I'm the president of Florida Property Management Services in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Today we're going to be talking about foreign investors in U.S. real estate. In South Florida, there are a lot of foreign investors buying vacation homes and investment properties, either residential or commercial investment properties. In any case, a foreign investor needs, before he or she buys any property, they need to meet with an accountant and a tax attorney to really orchestrate the way that they're going to buy the property. They need to take into consideration many aspects. First, is there a tax treaty between the country of origin and the United States? Second, what is the tax situation and the tax laws in the country of origin? Is the foreign investor engaged in any business activity in the U.S., or the investment is the only activity? The investment in the real estate is the only activity the foreign investor is going to have. So many aspects need to be taken into account, and it is considered crucial before they make an offer on any property or they buy any property that they meet with an experienced tax attorney and an accountant that specializes in foreign investors to properly plan the investment. Foreign investor may need to plan to buy the property under an entity, either a limited liability company or a corporation. It may be a domestic corporation, or it may be a domestic corporation owned by a foreign corporation or foreign trust, depending on the situation of the foreign investor. And all of these is going to have a real impact in the state taxes and income taxes for the foreign investor. For example, a foreign investor has a liability. If they buy under their personal name, they may have a tax liability when they pass away for estate taxes in the United States of up to 55% of the market value of the asset. So to minimize this, and actually to avoid this, and to minimize the tax implications, income tax that they have to pay on the rental property, they need to properly plan and know what the situation with their country and the United States is, and properly plan their specific situation. Do they need confidentiality? Do they need to plan to do some estate planning? So they need to maybe purchase the property under an entity, maybe a limited liability company or a domestic corporation, owned by a foreign corporation. Maybe the stock of that foreign corporation should be on a trust, so they can guarantee the estate planning process and how their family members are going to inherit the property later on. So that's the first step and the things that the foreign investor has to consider. Also, property managers have requirements, forms that they need to fill out and submit to the IRS for foreign investors. And if the foreign investor doesn't have the proper documentation, then the property manager has to withhold 30% of the gross rental income before deducting any expenses. So proper planning is crucial, and that is essential for any foreign investor thinking about buying either a vacation home or a rental income property in the United States. If you need assistance, please contact us at the numbers or email below. Thank you.